Hello everyone, I am going to talk about an important character in Peruvian sports. Her name is Gladys Tejeda. She was born on September 30, 1985 in Junín, Peru, and has been running professionally for her country since 2010. After high school, she studied primary education at the University Mayor of San Marcos. She finished her degree in 2007. In March 2009, she was recruited by the Peruvian Institute of Sports after being observed in a competition in Junín. She then became one of Peru's top marathon runners and representatives, achieving excellent results in the competitions. Gladys won the silver medal in the first official race, the South American Half Marathon Championship. She had proven she was good at athletics. In 2012, Gladys Tejeda was awarded the title of favorite daughter of the Provincia de Junín. Not without merit, since her sports career in example to Peruvian community. She has always enjoyed practicing different sports, but thanks to her great endurance, she realized that athletics would be ideal sports to develop her abilities to the maximum. Gladys Tejeda has participated in Bolivarian, South America, World Pan American Games, Toronto 2015, and Lima in the year 2019, and represented the country in two Olympic Games, first in London 2012 and second Rio 2016. She is a great athletic, and the best thing is that she is Peruvian. Thanks for watching video. See you later. Bye.